Hello, today we will guide you through how to give access to Qualtrics Survey. If you need to share a Qualtrics survey with another person so they can help manage or review it, this process is done through the collaboration settings in your project. We'll walk through it from the survey editor all the way to saving the access change. Begin by opening your survey in Qualtrics and going to the Edit Survey page. This is the main workspace where you can view and update the contents of your survey. Starting here is useful because it confirms you're already inside the correct survey before changing any sharing permissions. Once you're on the Edit Survey screen, look to the top left corner and click the three-line menu icon. This opens the main navigation menu for your Qualtrics account. If you don't immediately see the option you need, this menu is where you can move out of the editor and back to your project list. From that menu, click Projects. This will take you to the area where all of your Qualtrics projects are listed. Here you can locate the specific survey project you want to share access to. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct one, especially if you manage multiple surveys with similar names. Next, find the sample project and click the three-dot menu on that project card. The three-dot menu usually contains additional project actions and settings that aren't shown directly on the main project view. When the menu opens, click Collaborate. This is the section where you can give another person access to the survey. In Qualtrics, collaboration settings determine who can work on a project and what level of access they may receive. You'll now see a field where you can enter the person you want to collaborate with. Type in the appropriate user information and select the correct person from the available results. Make sure you choose carefully so access is granted to the intended collaborator. After selecting the person, click Add Selected. This adds them to the collaboration list for the survey. At this stage, it's a good idea to quickly review that the right person has been added before finalizing anything. Finally, click Save. This confirms the collaboration change and gives the selected person access to the Qualtrics survey. And that's it. Once saved, your survey collaboration settings are updated, and the other user should now be able to access the project according to the permissions available in your Qualtrics environment.